Okay, so when solving equations, our goal is always balance. We are saying that one side is equal to the other side, and we need to maintain that throughout our whole process of solving. So let's take the algebraic equation. 6x plus 2, we're saying, is equal to 10 plus 4x. So if we use a model of a balance, this can help us sort of see what's happening. So here we have 6x plus 2 equals 4x plus 10. Okay? So our goal here is ultimately to find out what x is equal to. So the way that we would need to do that is reduce the balance and everything that's on there so that we just have x on one side of the balance and a number on the other side of the balance. So then we say, well, this x is equal to this number. Okay, in order to do that, we need to start removing things to simplify what's on the balance. If we look at our x's, we want to remove all the x's from one side. But if we do that, then we also have to remove that same number of x's from the other side in order to keep the balance. So we're going to look at the side with a smaller number of x's and remove that, because we know we will be able to remove that same amount from the other side. So we're going to take that 4x and we're going to remove it. Okay, so we're minusing 4x. And what we do on that one side of the balance, we would have to do on the other side of the balance. So we're removing the 4x, which is what we call zeroing. So I have a plus 4x, and I'm going to now minus 4x, and that's called zeroing. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side. Okay? So now we look at it and go, okay, we've got the x's removed from the one side, so now let's remove the number from the other side so that we can get just x's on one side and just numbers on the other. So once again, we're going to do the zeroing and minus 2 from the side with the variables, and then minus that same 2 from the other side. Okay, so we end up with 2x equal to 8 on the balance. So once we have 2x equal to 8, we have to say, all right, what am I going to do here to get x by itself? Okay, I have 2 x's on the one side, and I need to have just one x. So if I basically take what's on the one side and split it in half, or divide by 2, then I would just have x by itself. Okay, but I'd have to also then take what's on the other side and divide it into 2. So if I do that, then I end up with just that x by itself equal to 4, which solves my equation because I now know that x is equal to 4.